1000 words in Korean. 안녕하세요. Hello. Привет. Let's imagine you are in Korea right now and you met new Korean people and you would like to introduce yourself. So, do you know how to introduce yourself in Korean language? How to say I am? Let's get started. Introduction. So this is first thing. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. I would like to explain one very important grammar rule. Korean language is S subject, O object, and ends with verb. Meanwhile, English is S subject, verb, and object. So our golden Korean language golden rule is whatever it happens, we finish a sentence with verb unless you are making a point. So remember, verb we put in the end of any sentences. Let's go. 저는. 저 means I. And 저는 is also I. Why? Because Korean language has another significant character which is postposition. English has prepositions such as at, in, on, to. In Korean, we have postposition which connected to nouns. So 저는 and 는 is topic marker, and when it combines together, 저는 means I. 저는 noun입니다. As I just mentioned, sentence ends with verb, right? So 입니다, which is written in the end, means be verb, am is are. So 저는 희진입니다. Yes, this is my picture and I am introducing myself. 저는 I, 희진입니다. Am. I am Heejin. Oh, another I. And this guy, most probably you are familiar with him, right? He is a singer, Psy. So why there is another I? 나 means I, but which is used between very close friends and family members, as this is very casual form of I. Meanwhile, 저 means formal and polite. So 나는 I, noun, 예요. I, noun, am. 나는 싸이예요. I am Psy. Yes. This is how to say I am Psy. Oh, then what is difference between 입니다 and 예요? 입니다 is formal and polite way to say am is are, And 예요 or 예요 is informal, but polite way to say M is R. Here we go. So this is my business card and my name is written here. So my means 제. 이름 means name. So my name 제 이름. 제 이름은 희진입니다. My name Heejin is. So my name is Heejin. Let's imagine your name is Alice. And you could say 제 이름은 앨리스입니다. Okay. 자. What if somebody confused and ask wrong name to you? Then you need to say, no, I am not. No, it's not. So, 아닙니다 means be not. Or am not, is not. 아닙니다. For example, if somebody asks me, 싸이예요? Are you Sai? Then I would say, no, 아니요. Or, 아닙니다. I'm not Sai. I am not. 아닙니다. I am not. Oh, who is this guy? Yes, 남자, man. 여자, women. Women. 여자. And 어느 means which. 나라 means country or a nation. 사람 means a person or a human. And in Korean, we ask nationality like, where are you from? But we say differently, which country person are you? It's our way of asking a nationality. So, 어느, which, 나라, country, 사람, person 입니까? Or 어느 나라 사람이에요? Which means, where are you from? This is 한국. 한국. Question of 어느 나라 사람입니까? And the answer will be 저는 한국 사람입니다. 한국, which means Korea, and 사람 means person. So in Korean language, we do not change as America, American, or Japan, or Japanese. We don't change ending like that. We just combine a name of a country and 사람, a person. Then it becomes a nationality. So for example, 한국 사람 means a person of Korea, which means Korean. So, 저는 한국 사람입니다, which means I, Korean, am. So, I am Korean. 영국, which means Britain. How would you say I am British? 저는 or 나는 영국 사람입니다. Then I am British. and 미국. 미국, which means United States. And this one is 일본. 일본, which means Japan. 독일, 독일, which means Germany. And 중국, 중국, China. 태국, 태국, Thailand. 인도, 인도, India. 프랑스, 프랑스, France. 러시아, 러시아, Russia. Oh, why Russia is Russia while India is pronounced as Indo differently? Yes, quite few countries named such as 미국, 일본, 영국, 독일, those countries we translated in Korean and we pronounce in our way because their diplomatic relations started a very long time ago, which is very early of 20th or even before 20th century. In that time, people did not speak much English, so the new country name we translate into Korean language, while France, Russia, and Philippines, these countries we have diplomatic relation relatively recent. We use English pronunciation way. This is our last word of the clip. Nederlanden. Nederlanden. The Netherlands, where I live right now. Thank you for watching the clip. Words list and exercises are available studykoreaneveryday.teachable.com. Did you like the lesson? Please subscribe, like, and share. 감사합니다.